What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can write quotes in calligraphy. And the only thing that we're going to use today is this pen and this pencil. So I will show you how you can do it, and it will be really fun. Stay tuned with me until the end of the video and let's get started. Alright, so the most beginner step is to make two lines here and here, and the width between the two of lines should be as big as you want your letters to be. Alright, so I have made the two pairs of lines, one here and one here. So I'll make two lines here and there. And the main thing is that you have to keep the exact distance while writing the letters. Okay, so I'm done with my writing part. Now what I need to do is erase these lines. And one more thing, when I will draw with the pen, I need to make sure that whenever I will go up, I will go lightly, and whenever I go down, I will start making dark shades. That's the most important and only important part of calligraphy. I'm done with the pen shading and it looks really great. Now I just need to erase these lines and then we'll be done. Alright guys, I have erased all the lines and it looks so beautiful, and I personally so love it that I want to make this. What should I make it? This title of our videos. So stay happy, be cool is the title, is the slogan of our videos. That's great. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment down below what should I make on my next video. And I'll see all of you in the next video. But first, let me say my slogan one more time. Stay happy, be cool.